Welcome to today's video about eating raw garlic on empty stomach. Ever wondered how something as simple as a clove of garlic could be a game changer for your health? Yeah, you heard right. We're talking about the humble garlic, but not just any garlic. Raw garlic, eaten on an empty stomach. But why on an empty stomach? And what could be so amazing about it? Hold on, you're in for a surprising ride. We're about to peel back the layers of this potent bulb and uncover some jaw-dropping health benefits that could potentially revolutionize your mornings. From boosting your immune system to... Wait, no spoilers yet. If you're ready to unlock a whole new level of wellness with just a clove of garlic, make sure to stick around. Get ready, folks, because we're just about to dive into the world of this incredible superfood that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Trust us, after this, you'll never look at garlic the same way again. So are you ready to find out more? Then let's get started. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Now let's start our countdown with number 1. Immune system support. Incredible as it may sound, starting your day with raw garlic on an empty stomach could give your immune system a welcome boost. Why is this so, you ask? Let's dive in. Firstly, garlic is packed with an active compound known as allicin. This amazing ingredient is known for its potent immune-boosting properties. When you chew or crush raw garlic, it triggers the release of this superhero compound, which starts working its magic in your body. But how does it strengthen your immunity? Well, allicin promotes the activity of white blood cells, your body's natural defense system against infections and diseases. Not only that, but allicin also enhances the functioning of other immune cells, like macrophages and lymphocytes, which further helps your body fight off harmful pathogens. A 2012 study published in the Journal of Immunology Research confirmed this immune-enhancing role of allicin. It showed that allicin significantly increased the number of white blood cells in subjects, boosting their immune response. This doesn't mean you should be replacing your prescribed medications with garlic, but think of it as an added layer of defense, an extra guard in your immune system's army. So the next time you pass by garlic in the grocery store, remember, this tiny pungent bulb could be your immune system's new best friend. Next, number 2, blood pressure control. Engaging your interest in this topic, let's dive deeper into how raw garlic, particularly on an empty stomach, can be a boon for blood pressure control. The science behind this lies in its rich content of organosulfur compounds. An organosulfur compound called S-allyl-cysteine is pivotal here. In a study published in the Journal of Pharmaceutical Biology in 2020, researchers found that S-allyl-cysteine can reduce systolic blood pressure. This happens because S-allyl-cysteine has vasodilatory effects. It causes blood vessels to expand, thereby reducing blood pressure. Furthermore, garlic has an abundance of polysulfides which, when entering red blood cells, are converted into a gas called hydrogen sulfide. This gas is a potent vasodilator and helps keep our blood vessels relaxed, allowing blood to flow more freely. The role of garlic in reducing blood pressure was highlighted in another research study from the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2021. This study concluded that consuming aged garlic extract, high in S-allyl-cysteine, led to a significant reduction in peripheral and central blood pressure in individuals with uncontrolled hypertension. But remember, while these findings are promising, garlic is not a substitute for professional medical advice or prescribed medication for hypertension. It should be seen as part of a broader approach to maintaining overall health. Next, number 3, cholesterol reduction. Research has shown that garlic can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. That's the bad kind that we're always told to watch out for. But how does it do this? It's thanks to a compound called S-allyl-cysteine, found in garlic, but often overshadowed by its more famous cousin, allicin. S-allyl-cysteine does a pretty neat job in our bodies. It prevents the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. When LDL gets oxidized, it becomes even more dangerous, sticking to the walls of our arteries and increasing our risk of heart disease. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, 2016, showed a significant reduction in oxidized LDL cholesterol levels in participants who took S-allyl-cysteine supplements for a month. This suggests that consuming raw garlic, a natural source of S-allylcysteine, might have a similar impact on our cholesterol levels. However, while promising, it's no magic bullet. Like any dietary intervention, the benefits of garlic will be best seen as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Next, number 4. Cancer prevention. Cancer, the notorious enemy of humanity, has met a formidable opponent in garlic. Interestingly, this humble kitchen ingredient is packed with bioactive compounds like diallyl sulfide, S-allylcysteine, and diallyl disulfide. We are not just talking about allicin here. These compounds, albeit lesser known, play a pivotal role in combating the rogue cells. Let's take a journey inside our bodies. Imagine every morning you are supplying these bioactive soldiers into your system. The sulfurous compounds have been found to encourage the self-destruction of cancer cells, a process known as apoptosis. Furthermore, they disrupt the metabolism of tumor cells, throwing a wrench into their growth and spread. You're basically backing the good guys in your body's ongoing battle against potential cancer cells. In a 2016 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, diallyl sulfide in garlic was found to suppress breast cancer cell growth. In another research published in Cancer Prevention Research in 2019, it was suggested that S-allylcysteine might inhibit the formation of lung cancer cells. Though the science is complex, the conclusion is simple. Garlic could potentially be a lifesaver. Remember, while this doesn't mean you should ignore regular checkups or cancer screenings, adding raw garlic to your morning routine could be an additional line of defense. After all, prevention is better than cure, right? Next, number 5, blood sugar control. Garlic houses an army of beneficial compounds like allicin, S-allylcysteine, diallyl disulfide, and diallyl trisulfide. Now, you may be wondering, how do these compounds help regulate blood sugar? Allicin, for instance, increases insulin secretion and enhances insulin sensitivity, leading to improved blood glucose control. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food, 2013, found allicin helps your cells take in glucose more efficiently. Then we have S-allylcysteine. This compound not only reduces blood glucose levels, but also helps protect the liver, which plays a crucial role in sugar metabolism. A study in Phytomedicine, 2014, demonstrated this. Don't forget diallyl disulfide and diallyl trisulfide. They add another layer of protection. According to the European Journal of Medicinal Chemistry, 2020, these compounds can protect pancreatic B cells, the cells responsible for insulin production, from damage, thus maintaining their function. You see, it's like a well-conducted orchestra, each compound playing its part, working together to keep your blood sugar in check. Remember, while garlic can help, it's not a standalone solution. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and routine checkups should be part of your strategy to manage blood sugar levels. Next, number 6, bone health. Firstly, garlic contains a compound named diallyl disulfide. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2012 found that this compound can help increase estrogen levels in women, potentially mitigating bone loss. Isn't it fascinating that something in your kitchen can be so beneficial? Additionally, garlic also contains an array of nutrients including calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B6. We know calcium and phosphorus are vital for bone strength and formation, right? And guess what? Vitamin B6 plays a key role in the metabolism of a protein essential for bone health, collagen. This was confirmed in a 2018 research article published in the Archives of Biochemistry and Biophysics. In the end, isn't it incredible that something as simple as a clove of garlic can potentially do so much for our bones? So next time you're peeling garlic for your favorite recipe, just think about all the good it might be doing for your body. Next, number 7, improved iron metabolism. I can see you're really interested in how raw garlic, taken on an empty stomach, can help improve iron metabolism. It's quite fascinating. Garlic, and particularly the sulfur compounds within it like allicin and diallyl sulfides, play an interesting role in this process. Here's the fun part. These compounds are said to enhance the production of a protein called ferritin. Now, ferritin is like your body's storage unit for iron. More ferritin means better storage and release of iron when your body needs it. Let's take a deep dive into a 2010 study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. This research found that the diallyl sulfides in garlic promote ferritin production, hence improving iron metabolism. They work by activating the ferroportin gene, the key gene responsible for iron transportation in our bodies. Isn't that something? But wait, there's more. This isn't just about one or two compounds. Garlic is a symphony of components, each playing its part. The flavonoids in garlic, like quercetin, also contribute to better iron metabolism. A 2011 study in the European Journal of Nutrition revealed that quercetin increases the absorption of iron in the intestine. Remember, though, it's all about balance. Too much iron isn't good either. That's why it's crucial to consume garlic in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. While garlic might be small, it certainly is mighty, right? Next, number 8, detoxification. Let's talk about the wonders of garlic and its detoxification properties when consumed raw on an empty stomach. We'll break it down, focusing on the whole orchestra of active compounds, and not just the star player, allicin. Did you know that garlic is a real powerhouse when it comes to detoxification? It's packed with sulfur-containing compounds, including allicin, ajoine, and diallyl sulfides. But let's not play favorites here. All these compounds collectively contribute to garlic's detoxifying abilities. In a 2019 study published in Food and Chemical Toxicology, it was found that these sulfur compounds can aid in removing toxins from our bodies. These compounds boost the production of glutathione, a mighty antioxidant that our body naturally produces. Why is glutathione so important, you ask? Well, it's responsible for grabbing hold of toxins and flushing them out. It's like our body's personal cleaning service. Now here's an interesting fact from a 2018 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry. It suggests that aged garlic extract, rich in these sulfur compounds, can enhance detoxification by upregulating phase 2 detoxification enzymes. Remember, everyone's body responds differently to garlic, and it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. But next time you add that little bit of garlic to your dish, remember you're not just adding flavor, you're inviting a whole team of detoxifying compounds to your health party. Next, number 9, digestive health. First, you need to understand that garlic is a treasury of bioactive compounds. When you munch on raw garlic, the star player, allicin, steps up, which, once in your system, breaks down into a variety of sulfur-containing compounds. But allicin isn't doing the job alone. It's a team effort with other potent compounds, such as diallyl disulfide, S-allyl-cysteine, and others that are also found in garlic. Here's the exciting part. These compounds interact with your body in ways that can help support digestive health. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, 2019, these compounds stimulate the production of gastric juices. Think of it as giving a pep talk to your stomach, telling it to gear up for digestion. But that's not all. Garlic's compounds also play a role in regulating your gut's microbiome, the community of beneficial bacteria that live in your digestive tract. A study from the Journal of Functional Foods, 2020, pointed out that these compounds can help increase the number of these good bacteria, acting as a sort of natural probiotic. When these good bacteria thrive, they help break down food more effectively, aid in nutrient absorption, and can even play a part in preventing gut inflammation. So, not only does eating raw garlic kickstart your digestive system, but it also nurtures a healthier gut environment. Remember, these potential benefits don't mean you should start eating garlic like candy. It's one part of a balanced diet. Next, number 10, anti-inflammatory properties. Starting your day with raw garlic may sound a bit unusual, but did you know it could work wonders for your body, especially in fighting inflammation? Let's dive into the science behind this. Garlic is rich in organosulfur compounds, allicin, ajoine, and diallyl sulfides, to name a few. Each morning when you chew raw garlic, these compounds spring into action. They help curb inflammation by inhibiting the activity of certain inflammatory enzymes in your body, much like turning off a faucet. Take allicin, for instance, the compound produced when garlic is crushed. A 2012 study in Food and Chemical Toxicology demonstrated that allicin inhibits the production of inflammatory cytokines. These are like tiny alarm bells that tell your body to inflame in response to a threat. But too much inflammation, as we know, can lead to health problems, like arthritis or even heart disease. Next up, we have ajwain, another anti-inflammatory champion found in garlic. According to a 2017 study published in Scientific Reports, ajwain hampers the production of inflammatory signaling molecules, helping to keep inflammation in check. Lastly, there are diallyl sulfides. Per a 2009 article in Planta Medica, these compounds can block the pathways that activate inflammation, further keeping it at bay. So, a daily ritual of raw garlic on an empty stomach might be your secret weapon against inflammation. Next, number 11, Testosterone Booster. Good news for everyone out there seeking natural ways to boost their testosterone levels. Guess what? Garlic could be a game changer. Now let's dive into the scientific reasons behind this fascinating effect. Firstly, you might be asking, why on an empty stomach? Well, when you consume garlic on an empty stomach, it ensures the optimal absorption of its active compounds. This way, your body gets the maximum benefit. Garlic is packed with a compound called diallyl disulfide. This compound has been found to play a crucial role in boosting testosterone levels. How? Well, a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry in 2011 revealed that diallyl disulfide boosts testosterone by inhibiting the protein that converts testosterone into estrogen. So, in simpler terms, more testosterone remains free in your system. Amazing, isn't it? Also, garlic contains a potent antioxidant known as allicin. A study in the journal Andrologia, 2018, showed that allicin could protect the testes from oxidative damage, which may indirectly promote higher testosterone levels. But that's not all. Garlic's influence on testosterone also extends to its impact on cortisol, a hormone that, when high, can hinder testosterone production. A 2011 study in the journal Phytomedicine found that compounds in garlic helped regulate cortisol levels. So next time you think about your testosterone levels, remember, garlic could be your secret weapon. Give it a shot and see if it works for you. Number 13. Improves sperm health. First off, the science is ever evolving, and researchers are constantly uncovering new truths about our bodies and how various foods affect us. One such food that's been making waves in scientific circles is garlic, and it's all because of some compounds within it. Let's introduce you to allicin and selenium. Allicin is an organosulfur compound that's unleashed when you crush or chop raw garlic. In a study from 2016 published in Bioscience Reports, researchers found that allicin could protect sperm from damage, which is awesome news for sperm health. On the other hand, selenium is a trace mineral found in garlic that's been found to be essential for the production of healthy sperm. A study published in the Journal of Urology in 2018 reported that dietary selenium has a positive influence on sperm motility, which basically means the ability of sperm to swim efficiently, a crucial aspect of fertility. And then we have antioxidant flavonoids, another key component of garlic. A study from the International Journal of Reproductive Biomedicine in 2017 found that these antioxidants can combat oxidative stress, an imbalance that could potentially damage sperm. Now, remember, science is a journey, not a destination. We've seen some exciting findings, but we need more research to fully understand the relationship between garlic and sperm health. Next, number 14, lifespan extension. The key to garlic's potential longevity benefits lies in its rich array of bioactive compounds. First up is allicin, the superstar. This compound, formed when garlic is crushed or chopped, is known for its potent antioxidant properties. It neutralizes harmful free radicals, those pesky molecules that cause aging and disease. Imagine them as microscopic rust that eats away at your health. But wait, there's more. Garlic is also packed with sulfur-containing compounds like diallyl sulfide, diallyl disulfide, and diallyl trisulfide. In a 2018 study in Molecular Nutrition and Food Research, these compounds showed promising effects in promoting longevity by activating a specific cellular stress response pathway. Then there are flavonoids like quercetin, a plant pigment that, according to a 2019 study in the Journal of Gerontology, slows aging by enhancing mitochondrial function in cells. Think of your mitochondria as tiny power plants that keep your body energized. Remember though, it's the synergy of these compounds, along with a healthy diet and lifestyle, that might help us live longer, healthier lives. This exciting field of research is still evolving, and we're learning more every day. You're not just munching on a garlic clove, you're partaking in a dance of biochemistry that could potentially add more years to your life. Starting your day with raw garlic can be a unique dietary practice, but it's essential to consume it in moderation and the right way. Here's a simple guide to help you incorporate raw garlic into your routine. How to consume. Take a clove of fresh garlic. Make sure it's clean and free from any dark spots or mold. Crush or chop the garlic and leave it for a few minutes. This allows the formation of allicin, the beneficial compound that is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. You can consume it directly, or if you find the taste too strong, mix the chopped or crushed garlic with a tablespoon of honey or incorporate it into a glass of water. How much to consume? As for the amount, 1 to 2 cloves per day is often recommended. It's a good idea to start small, with maybe a half to 1 clove, and see how your body reacts before increasing your intake. Next, we will see the most important topic, that is, side effects of raw garlic on an empty stomach. While consuming raw garlic on an empty stomach can have potential health benefits, it's also important to be aware of the potential side effects. Digestive issues. Raw garlic can be harsh on the digestive system and can cause stomach upset, heartburn, or flatulence, especially when consumed on an empty stomach. Bad breath and body odor. Garlic is well known for causing bad breath. It can also lead to an unpleasant body odor. Allergic reaction. Although rare, some people might have an allergic reaction to garlic. Symptoms could include rash, itching, or difficulty breathing. Bleeding. Garlic has antiplatelet properties, which means it can prevent blood from clotting. This might increase the risk of bleeding, especially for people on blood-thinning medication or those preparing for surgery. Low blood pressure. If you're already taking medication for high blood pressure, adding a large amount of garlic to your diet could potentially lower your blood pressure too much. Interference with medication. Garlic can interfere with certain medications, including drugs for HIV or AIDS. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting a regimen of raw garlic, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medication. The key to benefiting from garlic, like any health supplement, is to use it wisely and in moderation as part of a balanced diet and lifestyle. Well, folks, there you have it. We've peeled back the layers on the humble garlic clove and discovered its powerful, hidden secrets. From supporting your immune system to potentially extending your lifespan, it's quite clear this tiny bulb packs a big punch. So are you ready to supercharge your morning with raw garlic? Remember, the key is moderation and listening to your body, and always consult a health professional if you're unsure. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative. And if you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button too. That way, you won't miss out on more amazing health tips and surprising food facts that we have in store for you. Thanks so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.